Are you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yes.
So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
Man, movie star, he's been on my TV all day long. I call him Clown 1 and Clown 2. And they're really funny when they get together. They make fun of me, they make fun of you, they make fun of everybody.
I'm Rusty Bergerson. I'm with Loose Nuts Racing. I am currently a service manager for a large electric truck company here in the United States. So when people ask me why I race lemons, there's a couple different answers. The first one that comes to mind is I get to take a break from my everyday life and just get to be myself with a group of friends. And the other reason would be the people that you meet are absolutely amazing, and it's a big family, and we get to come together 3-4 times a year and just have a good time at the track. We are currently racing a 2000 Camaro that has had a long life. We picked it up and we didn't know a whole lot about it. Well, folks, she's a lemon. Let me tell you, that's not water dripping out of her ass end. That's gasoline. We got it loaded up on a trailer, brought it home, and we found that we had a head gasket issue where we were getting a lot of coolant. So what does a stupid team do? We get together and we build the engine. We didn't do a whole lot to it. It currently has the original 3.8 liter in it, but we re-ringed it, put gaskets in it, and we put a little oversized cam in it that makes it give a little bit of a rumble. Other than that, it's really just a stock POS. We started at the West Coast. We've now transferred over to move to Tennessee, and we now have friends from coast to coast. And it's a great time when we're able to get together and spend with them. When there's a loss in the community, everybody comes together and tries to help you get back onto the track as quickly as possible. So it's not about necessarily being there for the win. It's about being there for each other and embracing a sport we all love.
Crap ain't falling off. Crap ain't falling off. Crap ain't falling off. Crap ain't falling off.
Some of our fails started, when we were building. Catching a car on fire might be a big deal, but biggest fail that I've actually had was hitting the wall in Atlanta. Breaking Bad Racing actually came to our rescue. They helped us get some parts, they helped us get some things, and we rebuilt the car and got it back on the track. Another fail that I've had was having too many people that are owners of the car. Make sure that you have a dedicated owner, someone that's responsible for the car, and it will save a lot of problems. This one actually came from John Pagel. We are in the process of building a 1956 Citroen Traction Avant, and we don't know what's going to happen. Chainsaw, snowmobile, Isuzu, who knows? Original? I don't know. Keep your eyes open, but that's what we are building. Loose Nuts might be known for throwing a good theme, throwing a good party, throwing something. Even if you go out and throw a rod in your car, that's okay. But do it right. Make sure you get in costume, make sure you go out and have fun, and I can't wait to see your theme, your car at the track, and have a great night.
One other item of business real quick. The tower over here is...
Disruptors.
Oh, that's funny!
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?